Hi, I'm Sumanth here. I'm a chartered accountant. I'm into practice from last 5 years. This is the sixth year of practice for me. My two biggest challenges were like I know I'm good, but at the same time I know I can be better. And I wanted somebody who can get this better version of me, best version of me. And I know it's a process. I wanted somebody to handhold me and unlock that potential in me. Right. Two of my biggest learning in this conference, one is it's okay to be imperfect. You need not be perfect, right? You gotta take actions, right? Even if you're imperfect, take the imperfect actions. You will reach way far ahead than somebody who is trying to perfect himself and then take the action. So that's a biggest learning for me. Okay, so I already have a plan, which can make me a millionaire, right? So I know that, but I've been procrastinating it, and I think the program which I attended today, and hopefully I'll be doing a further course with Bishal, and I think that's going to take me a long way, and I'll be able to achieve what I thought I'm going to achieve. Right? I recommend this course to all of you. There are many people like me, who knows their potential, but just knowing the potential is not enough. The knower in you and the doer in you is different. To bring out the doer in you, attend a course like this, have a mentor like him, and I'm sure he will unlock the doer in you and get the right things out of you. I think the way Bishal puts this to you, right? So it's not that it's the knowledge that he has gained with books, right? It's something which he has got with experience, and we all know when somebody talks out of experience, it makes a lot of impact, right? So it's not just the words which he has learned and in the videos which he has seen. He has experienced every bit of it, and every knowledge that we are gaining from him is through his experience. I think that creates a larger impact on you, and it really makes you feel transformed.